Hi guys! So today's video is gonna be on Popcaan, and it's alleged that he got his USA visa. Okay? And all this is alleged. We don't know what's really good, if he got it or not. He's not saying, he's not confirming, he's not denying. But he's on the lineup for Red Bull Clash in Atlanta, August 25th, 2017. He's on the commercial, in the Penny Flyers. He's just everywhere. So that means something in a something, and we have to talk about it. We have to talk about it. So stay tuned to your girl, because we're gonna talk and we're gonna go in deep on this topic right here. So, as I said in the intro, it's alleged that he got his visa for come to the US. So, Popcaan has been traveling all over Europe and all over England, doing his little tours and making music. He's been based out of England for about a year now, because he hasn't been staying in Jamaica. He's just go back to Jamaica to visit. And I work with people like Not Nice, Russian, and the Gaza family. And know that it's said that he has gotten his visa. This means nothing but upward moves. Okay? Him say, are we still a win? Are we still a win? You know how long may I wait for this happen for unruly boss? You know how long? Okay? The US not good again if them put one visa in a poppy hand. And Popcaan has been working with people like Lil Wayne, Nicki Minaj, and you know say him and Drake. And you know him and Drake are like so, them tight. He makes song with Drake. Drake carrying on tour outside of the US, in Europe and England. So his links tall. When me say him links tall up here. And the music and the level that Popcaan can transcend if he gets a visa to come to the United States is going to be enormous. It's going to be crazy. He can transcend so many barriers if he actually comes out over here and work and actually hit the ground running, doing tours and doing stage shows and doing little concerts and stuff, working with people like DJ Khaled, because you know Khaled have the best of the best collaborations them ever. Once DJ Khaled put that collab together, it's like a masterpiece. But Popcaan is somebody that I respect. Popcaan is somebody that sure they get to youth them that them can come from nothing to something. And him getting sponsorship from like Jordan, Coca-Cola, and now Red Bull, this means that his brand and his music are going to be on so many different platforms. And not only people that know of him or hear him that look like us is gonna know Popcaan. People when look like us or not know Jamaica, not about Jamaica, or have any idea of what Jamaica is gonna hear his music, is gonna figure out who he is, because with multi-billionaire sponsorship like Jordan and Coca-Cola and Red Bull, if somebody hear the song on one of their commercials, they're gonna be like, who's that? They're gonna immediately want to figure out who is in the commercial, because mass media have a way of getting people to want to be a certain way, or want to, like, them want to feel everything basically. So when they put out one commercial, them want to be like the person in that commercial, or them want to sound like the person in that commercial, or they want to talk like the person in that commercial, because it's a big deal and nobody can take that from Poppy. And they were saying in Jamaica that people that's directly linked with us are linked or associated with Vybz Kartel can't get no visa and can't go America, because are them that cause crime and violence and all sorts of things. But if this is real, if this is a real story and Poppy actually get him visa, do you know what this means for the Gaza family? What does this mean for Vybz Kartel himself? Because Popcaan was under Vybz Kartel wings for years. Okay? Everything with Popcaan or Vybz Kartel teach him. So, with Vybz Kartel being the person he is in the music industry, and if Popcaan take everything with Vybz Kartel, teach him and take it to the next level when he comes over here, he is going to be a force to be reckoned with. Okay? And Popcaan still a big up Vybz Kartel. Enough people up on YouTube talk about how him this dancehall artist and this cause some video clip in England. The man still go up on his stage run, he still say free world boss, and him still big up Kartel. So that's neither here nor there. He's respectful, he appreciate world boss to teach him what he knows, and nobody can tell me say Poppy sell out. The only person can tell me say Poppy sell out is Vybz Kartel himself. Vybz Kartel himself hasn't said that. So when he does, that's when I'll have a difference of opinion. But to me, Popcaan is going to be one of those artists that takes dancehall and reggae music to that next level. We've been crying for authentic Jamaicans to actually do our music instead of people that mix up dancehall and hip hop together. No, we have somebody that can authentically do our music and produce our music and distribute it all over the world, and we feel comfortable with it and don't feel like people are just using our sound and using our music and sampling our songs and just they use we up, and then there's no reward after it. People not say a Jamaica and then get it from. People not say a reggae or dancehall. People say it's hip hop because they're sampling our song and it sounds more hip hop than it sounds reggae. But everybody know it has that reggae dancehall hip hop flair to it. But Popcaan is said to get his visa. He's said to be performing August 25th, not 21st, 25th in Atlanta at the Red Bull Clash. So comment in the comment section, tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you really think he got his visa. Tell me if you think it's just another fake story or people that make up news or what. And tell me if you would pick up your money if you live in the United States and actually go to Atlanta, purchase tickets if you got confirmation that he actually got his visa and he's going to be at the Atlanta Clash. Because he was at the one in England, so for him to be going to the one here in the US, it adds up in my book. It's legit in my book, but who is to tell? Because people make up fake story all the time. So who is to tell if it's real or it's fake? But comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. Tell me what you think about Poppy actually getting visa, actually they fly out, come to the US. He's doing big things, man. Big things. Alkaline, me sorry, bossy, but your foot I go get kick where if this is real life thing. If this is not fake, your foot are gonna get kick where. You better start pump out the hips them and the summer hits them from now, cause it not gonna look good for you this summer if Poppy fly out and get a visa. So comment in the comment section, tell me what you guys think about this story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a part of here, man. Deuce.